Hello everyone, Standard 10, History, lesson number 5, Mass Media and History. History is also essential in planning radio programs. For example, Akashvani has preserved recordings of all the speeches delivered each year by the Prime Ministers of India on 15th August. So, this record of speeches, okay, is a history, okay, speeches delivered by prime ministers, all the prime ministers of India, now and then, okay, on 15th of August. This is a history of the speeches. Akashvani invites historians as experts for discussions on various occasions such as the anniversaries of birth or death of national leaders, anniversaries of historical events, etc. Lectures on the contribution of various national leaders need to be supported by historical information. Programs like On This Day in History are also an integral part of the daily programs of Akashvani. So let us see that on the occasion of birth anniversary or death anniversary of a national leader, okay, or on the anniversary of any historical event. For example, already we discussed that in 2014, 100 years were completed for the First World War. First World War took place in 1914 and in 2014, 100 years were completed. So on these occasions, some experts having knowledge of history have been invited, okay, to deliver a speech or to share their information. Now, on Akashvani, On This Day in History, again, is a integral part of the daily program. Okay, integral part means a very important part. And during this program, the important information on a particular day has been shared. Now, in this way, we are discussing in what way history is playing important role related to radio or even television, for television also. Okay, so television channels also telecast programs based on history, okay, and some of the well-known examples are the mythological and historical serials like Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bharat Ek Khoj and Raja Shiva Chhatrapati. Now let us see that these programs are related to the history, okay, and to shoot this type of serials, it is very important to have knowledge of the proper environment or surrounding. Outfits means clothes used in those days. Weaponry means weapons, different weapons used in that particular period. Lifestyle and lingual expression. Lingual expression means the way of language was spoken. We can call it as a style of expression. Okay, so all this knowledge is very important. Now, currently Discovery, National Geographic, History are some of the channels, okay, in the modern times we see, and number of historical events or personalities have been shown during this program, especially on history. Now, sometimes while showing a particular event or incident, sometimes event or incident related to a heroic person or woman or sport person or army chief, okay, they have to picturize, okay, using different characters. It is important to present it in a live manner, and for the same, some characters have to play or act in those particular events or incidences, and for the same, knowledge of history plays important role. Okay, so thank you very much. In this way we have discussed lesson number 5. I request you to go through the lesson yourself. If you have any doubts, you can get them clarified from me, as well as write the question answers also and prepare them, as our semester 1 is approaching. Thank you very much.